In this video, we'll take a look at how to activate the installed software, the AutoCAD 2023. So let's click on the AutoCAD 2023 icon. Since it's my first time, it takes quite a longer time to open the particular software. Once you're used to it, like it will take a minimal time. So since I've just clicked after the installation, it takes quite a longer time. It's saying first run initializing, and you can see it's loading the plugins, and it takes quite a bit time initially. Once you used to it, like once you use the software, then the loading takes not much time. It is loading customization files and so on, right? So we'll wait for some time. Alright, so you can see the AutoCAD is no longer the default application associated with DWG files. So now what you can do is you can click always reassociate with the file. It is recommended. Or you can reassociate drawing files with AutoCAD this time alone, or skip this association, or do not associate. So this will be illogical because we will be looking into the DWG files in AutoCAD itself, right? So only with the AutoCAD. Since I've not installed the software earlier, but I do have DWG files, but that's why this particular thing. So I just click on this recommended thing. So once that is done, it is building for preparing the pages for the first time, and it will ask for data privacy, feedback and related stuff. You can click on OK. So read this and understand, and you can click on OK, and you can see there's a floor plan sample, data extraction, I think it's multi-level thing, and you can also have assembly samples and something like that. So this is typically that. Alright, so let's see whether our AutoCAD is activated. So to do so, you can open up this particular thing and you can go for manage license, and you can see the license is currently in use in this application. So it's a student version, and we have got the licenses there, right? So if you are a business user, then you can change this license type and you can procure the business license from Autodesk, and you can update it here and you can very well use it, right? So this is a short introduction on the procedure for activation. I hope you really enjoyed this video. We'll see you next video. See you then. Bye bye.